We'll use a plastic trim remover tool like this to take out the plastic cover which is inside the door handle. Plastic cover is out. Behind the plastic cover there is one 10mm screw that needs to be taken out. Here I'm using an impact gun with a 10mm socket, but you can also use a round head ratchet with a 10mm socket if you want. There's the screw taken out. Notice from the armrest side there is a plastic cover that needs to be taken out. Behind that plastic cover there is one more 10mm screw that also needs to be taken out. Now using the same tool we will take out this switch cover. Behind the cover there is one big plug. To take this plug out, we'll need to press and hold this white color tab and then pull the plug outwards. There's the plug taken out and we got our switch cover separated. From the left bottom corner of the door panel, we will grab the door panel and then pull it outwards. Notice with that pull, the other side is also separated. Gently pull the door panel upwards so that it's taken out completely. We will need more room to go behind the door panel. For that reason, we'll pull out both the wiring from that bracket. After this, we will have enough room to go behind the door panel. Right there, that white color harness is for the interior door lock. We just need to pull it outwards in order to take it out. Same goes for the black color harness, which is for the interior door handle. Pull it outwards in order to take it out. There we got both of them taken out. A little ahead is another plug that needs to be taken out. First, we need to pull out that blue color tab. Then press and hold the blue color tab to pull the plug outwards. There we ended up taking out the door panel completely. In case if you want to put back the door panel, just reverse the steps we did and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.